आपका आज के समय में पेरेंट्स को काउंसलिंग को लेकर के क्या विचार है?
I would say parents are trying their best to give the best options to their children. They are stretching themselves a lot, but I think there is an information overdrive. Too much information is also not good, right? And it leads
Same as
to
half-cooked.
yes, it leads to a lot of confusion.
So what about, like, there are a lot of universities which are opening campuses in India, which in my opinion is not the same experience as going abroad. But
Well,
what
we
is
know
your
that.
yeah, we knew that. Like, but what's your opinion on the same? Because the government is helping them a lot. They are trying to invest a lot of money. But I don't know the view. What is the view of the students or the parents at the moment? But what is your view currently? Is it the right thing to do?
See, as far as I am concerned personally, I don't knock down anything. मैं बोलती हूँ अगर आपको इंडिया में पढ़ के खुशी है,
हाँ.
do that, no problem. जब आप विदेश में जाने का पढ़ाई करने का डिसीजन बनाते हैं, there are 2 or 3 factors that play in mind. How much is it going to cost? What am I going to study, which I'm not going to find over here? And what after? मेरे को वहाँ पे जाके कुछ साल रहना है, एक्सपीरियंस गेन करना है, परमानेंटली सेटल होना है या करके वापस आ जाना है. So all these goals determine whether you're wanting to stay in India or go overseas. End goal क्या है? Livelihood, of course. Happiness. If you're not happy doing what you're doing,
100% agree.
you will not make money out of it.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है मुदित पांडे और आपका स्वागत है हमारे एक और एपिसोड में टॉक टू यूनी के. मैं हूं अध्यक्ष सेवी फाउंडेशन का और को फाउंडर हूं माई एडमिशन कार्ड का. और आज आप सबके समक्ष लेकर के आया हूं एक बहुत ही पुरानी और एक्सपीरियंस्ड काउंसलर को, अपर्णा मित्रा जी को. तो आइए चलते हैं अपर्णा मित्रा जी के पास और जानते हैं उनके बारे में. नमस्कार अपर्णा जी, कैसी हैं आप?
नमस्कार मुदित, मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. जस्ट मैं थोड़ा सा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे देती हूँ. मेरी कंपनी का नाम इंट्रा ओवरसीज एजुकेशन है.
कहाँ पे स्थित है ये?
हमारा जो मेन ऑफिस है वो रोहिणी सेक्टर 3 दिल्ली में है. बट हमारे करीबन 11 ऑफिसेज हैं इंडिया में एंड ग्लोबली. सो वी आर ऑल्सो बेस्ड इन प्लेसेस लाइक नेदरलैंड्स, जापान, दोहा, UK.
आप नेदरलैंड्स और जापान की भी एजुकेशन करती हैं?
जी. और इनफैक्ट वहाँ पे भी जो बच्चे हैं उनको भी हम काउंसिल करते हैं दूसरे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में जाने के लिए. उससे हमें एक फ़ायदा मिलता है. वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ ग्लोबल पर्सपेक्टिव इन टर्म्स ऑफ अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ में क्या चल रहा है, वहाँ का रहन सहन कैसा है. जो टैसिट इन्फॉर्मेशन जो गूगल में नहीं मिलता है वो हमें मिल जाता है. तो उसका एक हमें
चाहिए होते हैं. गूगल तो इनफैक्ट मेरा मानना है कि एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो और कंफ्यूज करती है मुझे. मेरा ये नहीं मानना है कि गूगल AI आने के बाद भी आपको वो इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकता है जो एक्चुअली ज़रूरत होती है. वो आपको आसपास ला के छोड़ देता है एंड देन यू हैव टू डू थिंग्स ऑन योर ओन. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप हर एक चीज़ के लिए उस एक्सपर्ट के पास जाएं. डॉक्टर है तो डॉक्टर के पास ही जाएं, गूगल को डॉक्टर ना बनाएं.
हाँ, मतलब देखिए AI एंड गूगल आजकल एक बहुत क्या कहते हैं ना, हॉट टॉपिक्स हैं, इम्पेंडिंग सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. एंड उनके ऊपर तो हम 10 पॉडकास्ट बना सकते हैं. ये सब्जेक्ट ख़त्म ही नहीं हो सकता. पर मुझे लगता है कि आपको एक इंसान से एडवाइस लेना चाहिए बेस्ड ऑन 2 things. One is their experience and the other is their intent.
Okay.
अब आप अगर ChatGPT, गूगल ये सब में जाएंगे, दे आर वेरी अग्रीएबल. आप कोई भी चीज़ उसमें डालेंगे वो बोलेंगे ओ वाओ यू मेड दैट चॉइस, राइट. they are not going to.
I've tried this. In fact, I've
Yes.
tried it. The benefits of this,
Yes,
and then just the same opposite of it.
yes.
And he was happy to show me both the things.
They will just
The
say
benefits of avocado.
Yes.
And
Huh.
the harmful things about avocado.
yes.
And he's happy
So
to
they
give
will
you both.
answer exactly what you want
want
them
to
to
hear.
answer.
So that you should stick to it. Use it.
And उनको at the end of the day they are deciphering existing information. They are not deciphering lived information, which is experience. So for somebody like me, and I'm sure there are many very good counselors, and I am all for taking students taking help and advice from various counselors. But अगर मैं अपनी बात बोलूं, एंड मुदत और मेरा जो रिश्ता है वो
I've already been counseled by you. So
वो
my journey start by getting counseled from you.
यस
about you.
सो
That's true.
हम 20 साल से
हाँ, 20 साल से
एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, एंड आई हैव सीन मुदित एज अ बॉय ग्रोन इनटू अ मैन, into a father, into a successful entrepreneur, and
Thanks for calling me a successful entrepreneur.
and a considerably popular podcaster as
Yeah,
well. So
that's true. At least in education industry, I've been able to grasp the eyes of people. for the
yes,
podcasting.
और मैं तो मतलब आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहती हूँ
बहुत धन्यवाद.
कि मुझे इतना गर्व होता है, एंड यू नो कि मैं ये जेन्युइनली बोल रही हूँ.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
हाँ, कि हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स का जर्नी देखते हैं, वो क्या गलतियाँ करते हैं और क्या चीज़ सही करते हैं. जो गलतियाँ करते हैं हम दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स को बताते हैं ये मत
नहीं
करिएगा. जो सही करते हैं हम स्टूडेंट्स को बताते हैं फॉलो दैट पाथ. So, those are things that I don't think any other tool or mechanism can provide.
That I'm 100%
So,
onto this.
so which is the reason why I feel that you should seek help and advice. आपकी तबीयत खराब होती है, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. आपका मन खराब होता है, साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जाते हैं. आपको अपने करियर के सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस, विच इज़ नॉट ओनली गोइंग टू टेक योर टाइम बट ऑल्सो योर एनर्जी एंड मनी, व्हाई आरंट यू सीकिंग गुड एडवाइस फॉर इट, इज माई क्वेश्चन.
So that is quite very true. अभी भी बहुत से लोग हैं who are not into taking the right advice and they end up seeking more information empty handed कि भैया अब तो हाथ से निकल गया, अब क्या करें. So they come to us at a very last moment, but we are very grateful and happy that we still accept them. हाँ भाई कोई नहीं, we'll still help you. Let's find out a way. That is the thing. So आप कब से ये कर रहे हैं दीदी? मतलब जो मुझे पता है, because मैंने अपना मास्टर्स 2007 में मैं यूके गया था, तो इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 19 इयर्स. तब आपने मुझे काउंसिल किया था, तो ये 19 इयर्स तो मुझे पता है. इसके ऊपर और कितने जोड़ने हैं?
So 19 years के ऊपर 2 साल और जोड़ लीजिए.
More than 2 decades आप
So
पूरा
more
दे
than
चुके हैं.
2 decades. So you were among the first
Lot.
cohorts who had gone through us, and
So आपका सर्विस लेवल आज भी वैसा ही है जैसा मेरे समय पे था? कि आधी रात भी हमने फोन कर दिया, दीदी यहाँ फंस गया, बताइए क्या करें?
100%. So we especially and I'm talking about, we are not aggregators. We are a boutique agency.
This is very good.
And हमारा जो मिशन और विजन है वो is to remain a boutique agency and to provide accessible education to everyone. हर कोई स्टूडेंट, चाहे देखिए हमारे पास जब बच्चे आते हैं 3-4 सिनेरियोज होंगे. बच्चे का मार्क्स नहीं सही है, पैसा है, मार्क्स है, पेट भरो का मसला है कि आई हैव ऑल द ऑप्शंस इन द वर्ल्ड, व्हिच शुड आई टेक. मार्क्स सही है, पैसा नहीं है, और मार्क्स भी नहीं है, पैसा भी नहीं है. We make it possible for everyone to get good world-class education as long as they are happy to seek our advice and guidance कि ये जो ऑप्शंस हैं ये आपके लिए, आपके लाइफ सर्कमस्टांसेस और आपके गोल्स के लिए सही हैं. And we are talking out of lived experience, not just of ourselves. I have been a overseas education student. I've studied overseas. I've worked in the university system. I've worked on the other side as a representative as well. So 360-degree approach hai. So just to kind of answer your question, concisely, absolutely हमारा service level and it has to be, because if you're looking to stay in this field long term, your service has to be personal and your service has to have good intent.
Intent is very important.
Very important. So for us it is student first. उसके लिए क्या अच्छा है ये पहले हम देखेंगे, बाद में हम कुछ और देखेंगे.
नाउ अब अगर मैं उससे आगे बात करूं कि आजकल जो जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशंस चल रही हैं बिकॉज ऑफ डिफरेंट सिनेरियोज, हाउ डू यू सी दिस शेपिंग आवर स्टडी अब्रॉड एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री इन अ शॉर्ट टर्म एंड देन इन अ लॉन्ग टर्म?
ओके, सो 20 years, तो 20 years में ऊपर नीचे हमने बहुत बार देखा है. Just to kind of give you an anecdotal story, जब मैंने बिल्कुल दृढ़ निश्चय कर लिया that this is the business I love and I'm going to do this full time, I left lock, stock and barrel. I used to live in the UK. You used to live in the UK. So we know each other from UK. So मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ा, अपना सारा जमा पूंजी लिया और इस बिजनेस में मैंने डाल दिया इंडिया आके. And that year, UK or stopped post-study work visa and it slumped. And मैं इस उम्मीद से मैंने ये business start किया था कि मैं UK में भेजूंगी बच्चों को.
I know.
Right? And no post-study work visa, nobody would want to go to UK. अब मैं क्या करूं? तो मैंने दूसरे geographies explore करने शुरू किए और and I found Europe to be a fantastic alternative. So France हमने किया, आपको पता है very well. Some of Mudit's friends went to France as well.
Business school, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. And so we started doing France quite actively. So तब मुझे एक चीज़ समझ में आया कि हमारा ना एक व्यू बहुत मायोपिक होता है एंड बायस्ड होता है व्हेन वी आर लिविंग और स्टडिंग इन वन कंट्री. देयर आर बेनिफिट्स दैट other countries are also providing that students should explore. And that year I decided that I will not limit myself to any geography. I will look for institutions rather than countries. कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूशन कौन से कंट्री में सबसे अच्छा बेनिफिट स्टूडेंट को दे रहा है, मैं वो बताऊंगी स्टूडेंट को. So the geopolitical system, of course the contextual environment has a major role to play in the decision making. War-like situations, it's unfortunate. Of course यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के ऊपर बॉम्ब नहीं गिर रहा है, बट आपका फॉरेक्स प्राइसेस उठ रहा है. Whatever the student and their parents have decided as a budget, it has suddenly gone up 25%. So when they decide a budget, that is their maximum, right? उससे ऊपर
25% is very hard.
Stretching. And as counselors, we should understand the financial implications, not just for the student but for their families as well. It is a collective decision. So वो सारी चीजें
so how do you see it? Like, what would you suggest if somebody is come to you and like the 25% budget has gone high? Would you ask him to wait for this year, or you will say let's extend your hand and try to accommodate this increased amount of money and still stick to your decision and go abroad?
So मेरे को ये पता है that if आप अगर मेधावी हैं तो कितना भी आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे, as long as you're not kind of being completely unreasonable, आप जो भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपको वो वापस मिलेगा if you are following the right path. आप वहाँ पे जाके आपको आज़ादी मिली है, you're living on your own, you're living in an environment where there is no boundaries. Up you can slide very easily and forget that you've gone there to study and build a career. So as long as you are able to follow the right steps, आप अगर थोड़ा सा extend भी करते हो अपना budget, you will be able to recuperate that. I'm very confident about it. However, some families can't. So what we advise is don't keep your vision limited. There are other alternatives as well which you can explore. I'll give you a simple example. We have recently tied up with a university. Its name is Pharmaceutical Technical University, which is in Uzbekistan. Now, the reason why I handpick universities. The reason why I chose this university, and Uzbekistan, people will say Uzbekistan कौन जाएगा, right? Nothing against Uzbekistan, बहुत बच्चे जाते हैं, but MBBS करने जाते हैं and all that. But this particular university is famous for pharmaceutical and cosmetic sciences. Their undergrad degrees are accredited by UK universities, right? University of Sunderland and De Montfort University. And one of their programs is BSc in pharmaceutical and cosmetic sciences, which is accredited by Yonsei University, South Korea. अब हर किसी को पता है कि कॉस्मेटिक साइंसेस एंड कॉस्मेटोलॉजी में साउथ कोरिया दुनिया का नंबर 1 कंट्री, और योनसे में जाने के लिए डायरेक्टली इट इज़ नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. IIT JEE पास करने के बराबर है. very very difficult university to get into directly, but we can send you through PTU. And the university and जो जिनके साथ हमारा MOU हुआ है, they are offering placements as well.
Okay, great.
The reason being, the place where this university is built on Pharmaceutical Science Park. It is the Uzbeki government's vision to make Uzbekistan a pharmaceutical hub.
So ROI बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है. फीस कितना है? $5,500.
And now, how is it affected by the war thing?
Not at all.
Not at all.
So there are many alternatives which we can advise. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको UK, USA, Canada.
US and Canada is anyways not in the favorite destination anymore for Indian students.
Yes, well, जाने वाले जा रहे हैं.
जा रहे हैं, but still it's.
Yes, but I'm talking. Today I'm here to talk to you, to let people know that there are alternatives, and please be open to alternatives. Don't keep your vision limited to the famous names and to the famous destinations. There are other places. At the end of the day, आपका end goal क्या है? Career बनाना. Right? So अगर आप invest कर रहे हैं and your expenditure is comparable to that of what you would be spending here in India, right? Why aren't you choosing to go overseas?
So what about, like, there are a lot of universities which are opening campuses in India, which in my opinion is not the same experience as going abroad. But
well,
what is your yeah, we knew that. Like, but what's your opinion on the same? Because the government is helping them a lot. They are trying to invest a lot of money. But I don't know the view. What is the view of the students or the parents at the moment? But what is your view currently? Is it the right thing to do?
See, as far as I am concerned personally, I don't knock down anything. मैं बोलती हूँ अगर आपको इंडिया में पढ़ के खुशी है, do that. No problem. I'm not. I don't kind of like to underplay कि because I'm into overseas education, so India में नहीं. Everything has got its pros and cons. We have. It's a personal decision and it's a decision of the family as well. जब आप विदेश में जाने का पढ़ाई करने का डिसीजन बनाते हैं, there are 2 or 3 factors that play in mind. How much is it going to cost? What am I going to study which I'm not going to find over here? And what after? मेरे को वहाँ पे जाके कुछ साल रहना है, एक्सपीरियंस गेन करना है, परमानेंटली सेटल होना है या करके वापस आ जाना है. So all these goals determine whether you're wanting to stay in India or go overseas. And apart from that, I think what is a bigger aspect of overseas education, which I'm a very big, proponent of, is life experience. आपको पता है, आप इलाहाबाद से हैं, मैं कानपुर से हूँ, मैं दिल्ली रही हूँ, आप भी दिल्ली रहे हैं, तो हम शहरी हैं, that's fine. But if it was not for our experience overseas, we would not have built the network that we have built in our lives. We would have not built the confidence that we have. We would not have had the innovative mindset and free thinking mindset that we have if we had studied here. मैं बोलती हूँ सब कुछ छोड़ के ये 3 चीज़ों के लिए आप बाहर जाइए.
ये तो बहुत important है. Network is equal to net worth. A lot of people says that and I agree to it.
Yeah.
And when it comes to the confidence, obviously when you go out of a city, from a small city going to a bigger city also is about gaining the exposure and knowledge and confidence.
Yeah.
So the same happens in a hypersonic way when you go to abroad.
Absolutely.
Exposure, confidence and network. So
Absolutely.
I agree to it, and that might be the reason after me, like most of my family, brothers and sisters have studied abroad.
Yes.
Because I was the pioneer in my family to have the guts to go around, and I still love the sight. Like 20 लोग मुझे शहर में लंदन जा रहा है बच्चा स्टेशन पे छोड़ने आए थे, and I was like अरे मैं तो फेमस हो गया. And that was in the back 2007. But now a lot of students from Prayagraj also go abroad.
Yes, and I'm glad that people are exploring that option as well. क्योंकि लोगों को ये the word when I say our mission is to make education accessible, even for people who were capable, they used to think कि नहीं ये तो it's too much for us.
नहीं हो पाएगा.
And we both know that it is very much possible, very doable.
It's just that you have to make sure you are going. आज भी मैं जब किसी बच्चे से बात करता हूँ, सेट कि अरे सर ये नहीं हो पाएगा, मैंने कहा ये सब छोड़ दो, मेरा काम है. You just decide you want to go or not to.
Or not.
Once you do that, it's my job as a consultant to ensure that all the hurdles should have been passed by. ये आपका काम है ही नहीं. आप क्यों कर रहे हो? वकील का काम, एक डॉक्टर का काम उसको करने दो, तो कंसल्टेंट का काम
ऑपरेशन हम करेंगे.
ऑपरेशन हम करेंगे, उसकी टेंशन मत लो कि भाई मुझे ऑपरेशन में टॉर्च लेके बैठना पड़ेगा, मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा. So before we go forward, there is a very important question which has been left. Then we'll move on to the rapid fire round. So आपका आज के समय में पेरेंट्स को काउंसलिंग को लेकर के क्या विचार है? आजकल ये मुद्दा बहुत उठ गया है कि पेरेंट्स का काउंसल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स आरंट अवेयर ऑफ स्टडी अब्रॉड और द सब्जेक्ट एरिया विच आर अवेलेबल. दे आर स्टिल स्टक इन 3 इडियट्स एरा कि नहीं भैया सिर्फ लड़की हुई तो डॉक्टर, लड़का हुआ इंजीनियर. व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन ऑन दैट? एंड इफ दैट इज ट्रू, हाउ डू यू सी इट चेंजिंग?
या सो माय फर्स्ट अंदर से जो गट इंस्टिंक्ट होता है वो होता है बाप रे. You know, and it is I would say parents are trying their best to give the best options to their children. They are stretching themselves a lot, but I think there is an information overdrive. Too much information is also not good.
Yeah, that's true.
Right? And it leads it leads to a lot of confusion. Too little information is also not good. because क्या होता है, मेरे दोस्त का बेटा गया है तो मेरा बेटा भी इधर
मेरा बीटेक बायोटेक ऐसे ही हुआ था. मेरे दोस्त के मतलब बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने किया था तो मैंने भी बीटेक बायोटेक किया.
हाँ, so this is, ये तो एक कॉमन एनालॉजी आपको हर जगह मिलेगा. डॉक्टर का बेटा डॉक्टर का बेटा म्यूजिशियन बनेगा, ये मतलब इट इज अनथिंकेबल. But
I think the only example I've seen in this is R Madhavan ka ladka. He's into swimming.
absolutely,
Otherwise,
and
बहुत
what a
कम
great
देखने को मिलता है.
example as well. Why not?
Why not?
You know, why can't all parents be Mr. and Mrs. Madhavan?
Just
Right? You know, and
let the child do what he wants to.
let the child do what he wants to. And also see, आप कोई भी चीज में एंड गोल क्या है? लाइवलीहुड, ऑफ कोर्स, हैप्पीनेस. If you're not happy doing what you're doing,
100% agree.
you will not make money out of it. You're happy doing podcasts. You've got a following of
Yeah, that's true.
5
Close to
crore
50.
लोग.
नहीं 50,000 है. Following is 50,000. Views are 5 crores.
views, 5 crores. What a fantastic achievement that is. You're
I still
happy
say
doing.
like successful is happiness. It's not about money at all.
It's not about livelihood, is only facilitating. So
it's a catalyst.
it's only a catalyst. But at the end of the day, if you're not happy, if you're miserable being a doctor, if you're miserable being a scientist, you've not met your life goal, right? You will finally end up playing the veena.
Yeah, that's
Right?
true.
तो पहले ही अच्छे से सीख
वीणा
लो. So my point is that parents should, from a very young age, start to identify what their child is good at. Try to nudge the child towards that. Make them excellent in doing that. For example, I was good in studies. I was always good in studies. My family wanted me to become a doctor. But my dad was always कि बेटा जो बनना है बन लेना. You're good at communicating and talking and all that. So, you know, start writing. I was good in English. So I worked in Times of India as a contributor. And that led me to a career in communication, advertising, you know, business, management. And I started to enjoy that a lot. And I know that, you know, of course, whatever we are doing, we are all, you know, being provided for by our businesses. But are we happy? If the answer is yes, then जो पढ़ाई किया सही किया. Right? So my point is that these days there are lots of tools to find what the students, you know, psychometric analysis, you know, counseling.
Do you help them?
Yes, we do.
That's great.
So use those tools and then make an informed decision as to आपका बच्चा कहाँ पे जाएगा. And parenting, you know, parents को counseling बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, because वो इतना pressure अपने ऊपर लेते हैं. For what? You know, why are you taking all this, you know, hassle on your head, competing
when
with
people are available to help you around.
Yeah, when people are available. And also, why are you taking a competition,
child competition on your own head.
Yes, when at the end of the day it is your unit, your family, and all of you want to be just happy by yourselves. So, you know, why should that be a challenge?
Okay, so we'll move on to then rapid fire round.
Yeah.
Okay, and the options are like you'll get only 5 seconds to answer, and most of the answers should be one word only.
Okay.
You can express or detailed on it, but try to be as specific as possible.
I'm a counselor. Talking is my bread and butter.
So I'll
Okay.
still be. It's only going to be 5 to 7 questions, not much. It's not going to be hard. It's
Okay.
very easy. Your favorite destination for study?
Scotland.
Favorite destination to counsel to a student?
Netherlands.
Okay. Your best moment in life?
When my niece was born.
Okay. And your first reaction when you reached your study abroad destination as a student?
हमें प्रोफेसर पढ़ाएंगे?
I thought excited होंगे या nervous होंगे? हमें प्रोफेसर्स पढ़ाएंगे. So
can I expand on that?
yes, please.
So the first class that I had was operations management. Our professor was Tony Birch, and he entered. He handed us assignments.
He's a very good professor.
Exceptional,
Yeah,
exceptional professor. I'm truly blessed that we had the kind of teachers that we had. Absolutely. So he handed over assignments and said, next Wednesday you have to submit it. And we were like, class.
कब पढ़ाएंगे?
So that was my first reaction, like, you know, what is operations management? बोर्ड पे लिखेंगे कोई और उसका फिर definition हमें रटना पड़ेगा और उसको एग्जाम में हमें लिखना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. तो हमें 2 केस स्टडीज दे दी गई थी, उस पे कुछ असाइनमेंट था. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, इट इज ages ago, but I remember, like, you know, is this what I've paid for? Like, they just hand over assignments and go away.
Go away, submit it and take the result.
Submit it and he'll get the
This
result.
can be done in home. Why to come to UK?
So that was a life experience because
A lot of practical knowledge has to be involved.
Absolutely, that was the first time. Even though I was a grown person, I was, I had work experience and everything, but actually to think independently and not to be told this is what you have to do, because throughout our lives, whether it is in education, ये पढ़ना है, इसका आंसर ये लिखना है और यही reproduce करना है. When you're working, you're working in a process driven environment. ये फाइल यहाँ पे करना है, यहाँ पे ये करना है, वहाँ पे वो करना है. Everything you're told, timed, and you're just working in a certain process. There was absolutely zero thinking. आपको बुद्धिजीवी नहीं बनाया जाता है.
So आपका एक फेवरेट मूवी डायलॉग? अरे बताना तो पड़ेगा ही. कोई तो होगा.
ज्यादा सोचने से इरादे कमजोर हो जाते हैं.
किस मूवी का है ये?
अब ये मैं भूल गई.
हमारा तो आज भी सनी पाजी वाला है कि ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ जब किसी पे पड़ता है ना तो इसलिए बहुत इजी याद रहता है.
हाँ.
चलिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपको करके अब छोड़ देता हूँ कि वो फीलिंग जब आपको डिग्री मिली थी मास्टर्स की, उस समय क्या फीलिंग थी? ये आप लॉन्ग शॉट ले सकते हैं.
I feel again, जो आपने बोला ना, one of your happiest moments in your life, I think that is one.
Okay.
Because as an international student, मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को बुलाया था यूके में to be at my convocation. एंड सो कॉन्वोकेशन से पहले बहुत कुछ होता है. सो और हम लोगों का कॉन्वोकेशन फॉर्चुनेटली हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का बहुत आइकॉनिक जगह पे है, सिम्फनी हॉल. सो
इट्स तो लाइक ड्रीम कम ट्रू जब आप वहां पे बैठते हो तो द ऑरा
मतलब मेरे को अभी रोंगटे खड़े हो.
माय लिंक्डइन पिक्चर इज स्टिल ऑफ सिम्फनी हॉल. आज तक चेंज ही नहीं करी है.
Absolutely, and I think that is an experience that I think every student should have. And when your parents are also there, and your loved ones are witnessing it live, globally, it is at some point an out of body experience. And आपके यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर होते हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज़ होते हैं, काफ़ी लोगों को वहाँ पे उस दिन ऑनररी डॉक्टरेट डिग्रीज भी मिलती हैं. सो दे आर वेरी अकम्पलिश्ड पीपल हु आर टेकिंग फोटोग्राफ्स विद यू. तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस होता है, विच आई फील also changes you in a good way.
मेरी पिक्चर चलने लगी.
Yes. So I think उस हिसाब से हम लोग बहुत fortunate थे कि and we can share that experience because you've been through it as well.
मेरी बहन आई थी. Super awesome.
Yes.
Mayuri आई थी. You know Mayuri very well.
Yes. She's a dear friend. So
लगी वो चाहम होता है. वो चेहरे पे ऐसे मुस्कुराहट दे देता है जब भी सोचे तो. It makes you feel like you have achieved something.
Absolutely. And why not? You have. you know, विदेश में जाके पढ़ाई करना,
इट्स नॉट इजी,
घर ढूंढना,
सब कुछ बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है,
you know, पार्ट टाइम जॉब ढूंढना, काम करना, अपना लाइवलीहुड करना, all by yourself in a foreign
कंप्लीट मैन वाली
country.
फीलिंग वहीं से आती है, रेमंड वाली।
हाँ
कंप्लीट मैन,
हाँ, complete person, man, woman,
agreed, आई विल नॉट डिफरेंशिएट।
Yes.
मुझे बाद में कोई भी कुछ ना कहे, मेरा इंटेंशन वैसा नहीं था।
नहीं, मुदित is
लाइव प्रॉब्लम है, लाइव जाने में यही दिक्कत होती है, बाद में पता चला लोग कहते हैं कि आपने ये बोल दिया,
हाँ,
बट इट वाजंट। आई एम अ वेरी non-biased person,
which you are,
to
and I can vouch for that. But yes, graduation ceremony, again one of those life experiences which I feel is a great thing for students to experience, and it does give them a sense of achievement, a sense of community that
you're a part
you're the class of this
class
year.
of this year.
So, and you know, small things like जब मैं and it may sound a bit naive, अब भी मुझे दुनिया के सारे कंट्रीज पता है, पर जब मैं नहीं गई थी तो मुझे नहीं पता था टूनिसिया करके कंट्री है जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं और बाहर भी जाते हैं।
मुझे तो यूके ही बहुत मतलब उसके आगे मैं जानना भी नहीं चाह रहा था। बर्मिंघम के आगे सच तो ये है कि बर्मिंघम इज लाइक वर्ल्ड टू अस।
सो अब जैसे यूके होता है, हर कोई लंदन बोलता है। अभी हमें यूके घूम के हमें सारे कंट्रीज पता है। किसको पता है एबरगवीनी, व्हिच इज लाइक द बुक कैपिटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। So anybody who's interested in books, please go to Abergavenny, so which is in Wales, beautiful town. So these are things that you would experience when you are thrown in the deep end. कि जाओ कर लो। If you are not, then you stay in a cocooned environment. Nothing wrong with that as well. But it is each individual's calling, yes, and choice.
So now how do you rate our studio?
Your studio 10 on 10.
How do you rate me as a host?
20 on 10.
And how do you rate this podcast?
100 on 10.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you. So that's the end of the show. But before going forward or ending this show, you still have to give 1 minute good advice to the student. It can be 1 to 3 minutes advice, but that is the part and parcel of our show. After that, we'll be ending the show. And that's your camera for that. Don't need not to look at me. That's your message to the student directly.
Okay. So to the students who are looking to study in India, overseas, wherever, although I'm an overseas education counselor, but my strong advice would be to make yourself capable, skillful. Learn one thing that you would not learn in your curriculum. Do something that is outside your curriculum. It could be sport, it could be music, it could be learning language, it could be learning to code, it could be learning to paint. Have one skill which you're really, really, really good at. And I can tell you, being multilingual, being able to play music, being able to travel to different places, doing, computing, simple computing, even if you are a student of arts, is very, very important. It will take you a very long way, and it will leapfrog you to places where you felt or where you would feel that you can't get into. You will be able to make place in that area in your career.
So thanks a lot, Aparna ji, for that advice to the student. And any advice for me would be highly appreciable before we end the show.
Well, keep doing whatever you are doing. You're doing it with good intent. Carry that forward. वो बोलते हैं ना, with power comes responsibility. with great power comes great responsibility.
Spider-Man.
Yes. So I think you are on your path to great power, and I congratulate you for it. I have seen your trajectory, and you're doing very well in life, and I'm very proud of you. And just continue to do whatever you're doing, the good work that you're doing.
Thank you for giving me the confidence. And thank you everyone for joining us for the show today. और अब हम आप सबसे विदा लेते हैं. मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में जल्दी. धन्यवाद.
So to all the students who are listening to this message, this is exam season, or even if it is not, if you're listening to this later on, your exam results, your getting or not being able to get into a top institution, your relationships, your heartbreaks, your failures, your achievements, nothing defines you. What defines you is your ability to fight on, to have the spirit to overcome whatever you are facing every day. So when you are feeling depressed, or when you're feeling that it is the end of the road, know one thing, and this is a personal message from me. You do not know tomorrow. You do not know what is there tomorrow, what is the next piece of that puzzle, and it could be wonderful. You could be missing out on a life of happiness, of achievement, if you choose to do the worst, which is suicide. So when we say no to suicide, what are you choosing? You're choosing hope, you're choosing the ability to fight on, and you're choosing a life of happiness. So make that choice instead of choosing the simple option, which is ending your life. And that is not what you will want to do. So this is an initiative by Mudit, Say No to Suicide. Please follow it. If you ever feel depressed, call a friend, call an aunt who understands you, call your counselor, speak to your parents, and choose the right option rather than choosing to end your life. And I can tell you that it will change not only your life, it will change the lives of people around you.